Now we have two sounds remaining in the short sounds of monophthongs. Two sounds remaining. One is lowercase I and another one is lowercase u. The first I will discuss on lowercase I. See on the screen lowercase I. The sound will be E. The sound will be E, not E, not E. The middle of E and E. The sound is E. 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 E, but not like E or E. Not long E or not like the small capital I, E. The sound will be like E. I can give example happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. There are four sounds here and the last sound is E. First one, consonant sound ha, then a, vowel sound a, then consonant sound pa, and the last one is, there is our focal point, is E. It's not like E or E, but the sound is E. Happy. Happy. I am telling again, happy. We are not saying, or we are not telling happy or happy, nor this. Happy, but the sound is E. E. Happy. Another example, vocabulary. The last sound is E. Vocabulary. The last sound is E. Lowercase I. I mean the sound is E. Vocabulary. Vocabulary. Happy. In what way the last sound E for the lowercase I will be pronounced? It will not contribute like the small capital I. I am telling again, happy. Vocabulary. The last sound is E. Vocabulary. Another one, carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. See on the screen. The transcription is given. IPA is given in the slashes. The last sound is E. Carry. 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 The previous one, vocabulary. Last sound. And another word we can take money. 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 Last sound is E. Money. Satisfactory or satisfactory. Satisfactory. Last sound for Y. For Y, the last sound has come lowercase I. Satisfactory. I am telling again, satisfactory. Satisfactory. Okay. Another word we can take, wholly. W-H-O-L-L-Y. Wholly. I am telling again, wholly. The last sound is lowercase I mean E. How much the sound contributes, you can imagine, and not like the long sound. Not E and not E in that way, but E. Wholly. Wholly. Now I am telling again the 5 or 6. As I was telling, we can give the example or examples. The first word is actually. The sound O. In what way this is pronounced? You can have a look careful look. The word is, see on the screen, the word is actually. Sound a, sound ka, sound cha, sound o. Then vowel sound schwa, I mean a. Then consonant sound la, and then another vowel sound is a. Before some time that I told. So the sound actually. So after the cha sound, we see the sound o. So actually or actually. Actually or actually. Both are correct. But as we pronounce the sound is o, we will pronounce actually. So not actually, not like this, not like oo, not like epsilon. It will be, you have to liquidate the sound something or somewhat. Actually, o. Sound is o, but when it will be pronounced in the word, the sound may be like this. O. O. Actually. 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 Okay. Take another example. Actuate. 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 So here the cha sound, after the cha sound, o sound has come. This sound, lowercase o, u. The sound is o. Actuate. So not like this, actuate. Actuate, not like this. The sound will be, you have to liquidate somewhat. Not oo, but o. Actuate. I am telling again, actuate. Actuate. Next word, visual. V-I-S-U-A-L. Visual. I am telling again, visual or visual. So the sound oo will not be pronounced like the epsilon here also. The sound is o. Visual. If we say visual oo, this will not be pronounced properly. The sound would be like this. Visual. Visual. So the sound is after the ja sound, after the ja sound, the o sound has come. Je, je, v, je, l, v, je, l. Altogether, visual, visual, visual. Okay, take another example. Y-O-U. See on the screen, U. Y-O-U. U. Weak form, U. And the strong form, U. U, long sound. In the strong form, after U, a colon has been used. So, in a strong form, Y-O-U will be pronounced U. And in the weak form, U. U. Sound Y and O. U. Take another word. We can take one or two examples more. C-A-S-U-A-L. Casual. Casual. The ka sound, primary stress is given in the first syllable ka, then ja, then o, then a and la. L. Ka, je, l. Ka, je, l. Casual. But not like this, casual. U sound will not be pronounced like this. It will be pronounced like casual. 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 Another example, the last example, M-U-T-U-A-L. Mutual. Mutual. Well, this sound, lowercase u has been used, but this is long sound. At first this is long sound, mu. Then chual. After cha sound, this sound, short sound has been used. jewel, jewel, not like this, jewel, not like this, jewel, not jewel, jewel, jewel. I am telling again, mutual, 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 not mutual, not chew, but chew, chew. In this way, we have to liquidate somewhat from the sound oo. Mutual, mutual. So it can be said it's the sound, the middle of oo and oo. It's also the, we can say it will be pronounced like this, the middle of the two sounds. One is oo, the long sound oo, and another one is short sound epsilon, oo. So middle of oo and oo, it will be oo, oo. I am recapping the 5 or 6 words that I tell you. Actually, actually, or actually, actually, actuate, actuate. I'm telling again, actuate. The next word, visual, visual. Another one, you, you. For the sound o, lowercase u, o. Individual, sorry, individual, individual. I'm telling again, individual or individual. Casual, casual. I'm telling again, casual. The last word is mutual, mutual, mutual. I think the short sounds are clear to you. If you give a careful look and if you are so attentive in listening, I mean if you give a rapt attention in hearing or listening, I think the short sounds or the sounds that I discussed here, obviously it will be clear to you. Thank you so much.